All right, so now we're going to be doing a blindside back. Now, there's a lot better options than doing a blindside. I just figured I'd do a blindside because I had the time to do it. Anywho, so let's get on with it. All right, my first initial position was a straight back, and I ended up jackknifing too early. Got out and looked, so then I went and pulled forward and reduced the angle that I was currently at, and then I jackknifed again. A little more, got out and looked. I did get out and look. I just paused it, stopped it. That's my editing. Anywho, all right, let's go ahead and jump into the cab and see exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and all that kind of stuff. All right, very good. So, where am I turning? Where am I turning? So, I went ahead and see, I'm coming in at a bit of an angle. First of all, let me rewind this for just a second. There we go. Now, before I start turning, again, we have to look at the closest object before I actually start turning. Okay, meaning let's go ahead and pull forward there. So at this particular point right here, you got look in your right hand mirror, making sure the swing is not going to hit. So the closest thing will be this trailer right here. Obviously we are like, I don't know, 7 feet, maybe 6 feet away, so we're not going to hit it. Doesn't matter how hard we turn it. Okay, so it wasn't quite a hard turn. Basically, I was just trying to get my rear end pointing towards the space. All right. Now, if I was because we're looking in this mirror here now, right? See the distance between the back of the trailer and this trailer right here? Because we're going to be parking next to this guy here, right? All right. Further distance you are from it, the sooner you can jackknife, and not jackknife as hard, or or whatever. You just have more room to play with. But anywho, let's go ahead and let's start reversing. All right, getting on, looking, honking your horn. Yeah, sorry, there's no actual truck audio in this one. I forgot to record it. My bad. So backing up. So I start my my initial jackknife. A bit too early. Oh yeah, just a little tip. So those of you who have electric mirrors to where you can adjust them, do this. Great tip, handy thing altogether. You can actually see what is going on in your larger mirror instead of having to look in the bottom mirror down here. All right, at a certain point you're going to be a little confused because it is kind of hard. Now you have a few options here. All right, you can either get out and look, walk back, take a look, take a good little walk around and everything, right? And or you can maybe, well, set your brakes, lean over to the right hand window, stick your head out just for a peek. All right, and maybe back up a few more feet. It kind of saves you the hassle of getting out and looking properly, and like you're just trying to back up for a few feet. Now obviously this is not a very hard back. I have all this space over here. I'm not by any means saying that it's going to be a really difficult back. I just know that I don't have to worry about too much over here. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled forward. Now of course I'm adjusting my mirror the whole time. All right, so basically what I'm trying to do is just reduce the angle, this angle here, if we just want to look at the drone. All right, it kind of looks like I'm in a straight line, but obviously looking in the mirrors, I am not. So I'm just going to maintain that angle for a little bit, and back to another hard jackknife. Now I will get out and look here again. All right, so because at this particular point, obviously I'm not hitting this trailer here. I just don't know exactly where my axles are. So again, you either set your brakes, stick your head out the right window, take a look what's going on, or get out and look. All right. So as you can see, our trailer tires are actually further away than they were in the other one. So we're just going to go ahead and keep backing up more and more. Now again, keep trying to adjust that mirror as much as it will go. And just making sure that you can actually see what you're looking for is this trailer here. All right, let me go ahead and point to it. So we're sticking our, if I could draw a line down through here, the fact that we can see this. All right, that is what we're looking for. All right, that kind of shows us that we're definitely not hitting it. And then we have the shadow, which is great. All right, now the fact that we can still see it means we're not hitting it. All right, but now would be a good time to like kind of pull forward anyway. All right, or get out and look. All right, we're looking good. So I think we can probably back up a few more feet before we do our pull forward. All right, because now we have all the room over here to do that. So I'm just going to go pull forward just a little bit, hard left. So remember now, hard left will straighten you up in the shortest distance. Remember that now. I know I've said that like 100 times, but I do mean it. Okay. And now we're just going to chase it. Hard to the right. It'll straighten you up in the shortest distance. Again, I'm moving my mirror the whole time. And it's looking good because I can see the trailer behind me back there. Oh, lost it. There we go. Looking good. Looking good. And start straightening my steering up now. Now I can just do a nice simple straight back. Little adjustments here or there. And, well, that's a nice simple blindside back for you. I hope you have learned something from that. Please like, subscribe, you know, and all that good stuff. Go to the website, mytruckingskills.com. And, yeah, anyway. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.